Our custom contract manufacturing group comprises the essence of metals manufacturing expertise. Whether it be detailed components or final assembly structures, we offer a unique approach versus others, providing CNC and manual machining, fabrication and welding, and assembly and paint finishing. All that to say, we take on complex manufacturing challenges, including paint and assembly, all under one roof, priced to compete globally. Whether it's naval, oil and gas, nuclear, food processing, defense, or a specialized project, we look forward to putting our 60 years of experience to work on your metals project. Our team of passionate professionals work to give you the edge, making Apex Contract Manufacturing Group the clear choice for your metals manufacturing supply partner.